Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302, an absolute museum collector piece. Why do I say that? Well, first of all, it's just got 10,000 kilometers on it, but that's not the only thing. It is orange, not red, so that's the bright orange from the factory. But it is a museum piece because it has its original color, it has its original welcome pack. Inside the welcome pack is a poster, a video, and a DVD about how the vehicle was made. And here is the poster in this part here. Here is the original window sticker of the vehicle, so from when it was originally produced. So there you have it, competition orange is the color. There is the VIN of the vehicle, etc., etc. So everything there. Here is how to use the track key. Here is the certification from Ford right here in this brochure. So this certifies that this vehicle is an actual limited edition Boss 302. All of the build sheets, paperwork, window stickers, everything that you would ever need right there to prove its authenticity. The front license bracket right there. And then in this box over here, get a load of this now, is every piece of plastic that came on the car. So when the car was shipped to the dealer, every piece of plastic was removed and put in that box to keep for safekeeping. Have a look inside the frames here. Absolutely magnificent. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. 10,000 kilometers, but babied the whole way. It's got that ginormous exhaust on it with the side ports on it as well. It's got deep tinted glass has been added. The wheels are absolutely fabulous. The tires run out perfectly true and straight. Inside it came with the Recaro bucket seats that you see there with the Boss 302 insignia embroidered into the seat and Recaro into the side of the seat. They are super comfortable to drive in and they look great as well. So here is the wheel lock for the wheels, and all of the books are there to learn how to operate it. Everything's right there. And in the door frames, just a perfect car, unbelievable. So in addition to the deep tinted glass, the first customer actually had it 3M'd, so you'll see 3M on the mirrors and 3M on the front portion of the hood. So let's see if I can show you the line. There's the line right there. You see the 3M covering that front part of the hood. Here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, P0 tires as it should be. Under the hood, Boss 302 engine, over four something, I forget exactly, but you know if you're looking at this video, over 400 horsepower, but especially tuned engine. But the real noise is in the exhaust and in the suspension, which is absolutely fabulously done. Boss 302 is the epitome of sports cars built by Ford. Here, let me close the hood and show you the rest here. Of course, cross-strut tower. It's perfectly clean. It is absolutely a beauty. So, closing the hood there, you'll see the 3M on the front again, and have a look there. There is not a mark or a chip on the car. It is just beautiful. We inspected carefully, looking for any mark we could find. There's nothing to be found. Here is your other front wheel in outstanding condition, no curb rash, no issues. Brembo brakes, of course, for stopping power. The Boss 302 striping kit down the side, all intact, everything perfect. The driver's door, of course, looks awesome. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks right there. There's your Recaro seats again, looking fabulous, very comfortable. Multifunctional adjustments. It's got the Alcantara steering wheel for maximum grip. The Boss 302 floor mats that you see there. And we're going to fire this one up now. I'm using the white key today. The red key is with the car, but this is the white key just for the moment. So pretty subtle. But subtle doesn't mean subtle in this car. It is just fabulous. I'll close the door so you can see the kilometers. They are currently 10,460. Each year the customer drove it a couple of hundred kilometers after the first time of driving it 8,000 kilometers to go to California. So here is your sound system, your air conditioning blowing ice cold, of course, your cue ball shifter right there, traction control off. Launch control, of course, is part of the track key. Inside here is your cup holder, and inside here is your USB and line in. So he's had a USB put in so that you can plug into a phone right there. So pretty awesome. Everything is intact. Love the dash concept there of almost carbon fiber like, but not carbon fiber, just its unique dash. So listen to that car roar. That is fabulous. And there's the black roof on it, looking gorgeous. Have a look at it from the front. Just a beauty. And again, that is orange, not red. It may appear red in the video, but it is definitely competition orange. There it is from the back, just chugging away, anxious to go, ready to rip up the streets when you're ready. So there you go, folks. That is a 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302, museum quality collectible, here and available at munromotors.com, just 10,000 kilometers. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.